malfunction of
Full open. We say full open.
here we will remove the control loop failure, right? Malfunction open.
Yeah,
only.
Malfunction fully open.
Fully open,
Malfunction
as what we
fully open.
mentioned earlier. Yeah.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. It's
Even loop, yeah,
different
correct.
loop, but we will also mention fully open only.
So if this PAL operator gets it, so he has to take action. If he doesn't take action, ultimately trip will happen. So I will say it will loss of production due to the trip of plant if operator doesn't take action on time.
Yeah.
This is correct.
Yeah.
And what is the corrective action? Operator has to investigate the reason for low pressure. Low pressure is the first stage, separator, and take action to prevent tripping, to avoid tripping. We avoid tripping, the plant. Correct, Emmanuel?
Yeah.
So this is again 0 to 5 minutes because you don't have much time.
Yeah.
And I would put this is the process.
That is process.
And we will consider the likelihood is B. Operator is not taking action.
I think we can consider the same as above. Yeah.
Yeah, a low. And this is immediate. This is the P2.
P2.
HMA. And no grouping, no suppression is required. Correct? Because this is not a starter. PAH now 04. I think this is the unique. This is the done, all right? Already we have done it somewhere.